Okay guys, and I'm back. This is how you fix a beeping sound in a computer. Okay, wait up for it. Okay, so this is it. When you get in the beeping sound, it can cause from only one thing. Okay, the memory. So all you need to do is to remove the memory, take toothbrush and brush the area gently. Brush the memory gently. Please remember to power off computer, plug it out, make sure no current leaving the board. When you plug it out, you're gonna press the power button, okay, just to kill the current from the board. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna remove the power card. Okay, when you remove the power card, you're gonna make sure you press the power button. Make sure you press the power button, okay, just to kill the current. Okay, then toothbrush, and you're gonna brush the area gently. Okay, no blowing, no blowing, do not blow. Okay, you're gonna get the toothbrush and you're gonna rub the memory gently. Turn it around, brush it gently. Okay, then you're gonna take your own little time and replace it back. You're gonna press the end gently till you hear a clip. You hear that? Okay. Then you're gonna plug it in back. Okay. So it's supposed to be working now. Look at it. Okay, it's well done. So, good night guys. Hope you like my video. Like, comment and share. Okay?